Another Kamuning food trip. Since I had a collab with Kamuning Salo Halo Cafe and Restaurant, naisip ko, why not explore more food spots in the area?
I'm at Chad Jimenez. Dito ako dati nakatira. Sige, ganun parang itsura niya. Dito pa rin yung Petron. Tapos may baliwag pa rin. Mag-lunch muna tayo sa Snackaroo. Grabe. Super init lang. Kalimutan ko magdala ng payong. Ito na siya, itsura niya ngayon. Uy, may Robinsons na. Robinsons Easy Mart. And there's Kamuning Bakery. Punta muna tayong Snackaroo. Hindi pa ako nag-breakfast. Ito siya, Snackaroo.
Snackaroo in Kamuning is a long-running, no-frills neighborhood eatery famous for its affordable T-bone and porterhouse steaks, served with rice and their signature creamy gravy. This hole-in-the-wall spot has become a local favorite for hearty, budget-friendly, comfort food, and classic Filipino dishes.
Beef caldereta. Beef caldereta.
Feels so good to be back. Grabe, since high school days, kumakain ako dito.
Matagal na akong kumakain dito, pero ang usual order ko is yung chicken barbecue tsaka yung T-bone steak nila. Pero nagtanong ako sa threads kung ano daw mas try dito. And one of my trusted food vloggers, si Kuya Champ, sabi niya itry ko daw yung beef caldereta dito sa Snackaroo. Kaya tara, kain tayo. Kailangan na mag-fold. Super. Gusto ko masarsa. Hindi ganun kalambot yung beef, pero hindi na siya matigas. Tapos, ang sarap ng sauce niya. 3 seconds, Snackaroo. Talagang hindi siya katulad ng niluluto kong kaldereta. Kasi sa bahay nilalagyan ko ng potatoes, carrots, yun talaga beef lang. Tapos yung masarap na sauce. Ito na yung next, Kamuning Bakery. Ano if gusto kong bumili ng bread? Kasi medyo umiiwas ako sa carbs ngayon. Para medyo pumayat-payat naman. But let's check it out.
Kamuning Bakery Cafe is one of the oldest bakeries in Quezon City. Founded in 1939 and famous for baking traditional Filipino breads in a classic wood-fired pugon oven. The bakery is best known for its freshly baked pandesal and other heritage pastries that have been enjoyed by generations of locals. Today, it also serves as a cafe and cultural spot where people gather for breakfast, coffee, and community events.
Namiss ko na tong bread na to. Meron sa Quezon to. Dito sa K first, papuntang Kamuning Salo Halo. Actually, kaya ako nagpunta dito sa Kamuning. May collab ako with Kamuning Salo Halo. Tama-tama, napakainit. Ang sarap mag-halo-halo today. 5 cups yata ng halo-halo yung papatry. Sayang hindi nakasama si Daddy kasi busy siya sa work. So, let's see kung kakayanin ko ang 5 cups of halo-halo. First Street. Nung bata ako, nung dito ako nakatira, hindi ako naglalakad sa ganito. Kasi feeling ko, super layo. Pero since nang nag 10k steps ako a day, easy peasy. Yabang. Yun na, I see it. Malapit lang siya doon sa main road. Kaya madali lang makita si Kamunings. Yan o. It's like a big house turned into a cafe and restaurant. Thank you. Oh. Hi.
Kamuning's Halo Halo Cafe and Restaurant is a popular dining spot in Kamuning known for its creative takes on the classic Filipino halo halo and comforting home-style dishes. What started as a humble home-based halo-halo business eventually grew into a full cafe and restaurant serving Filipino dishes, dim sum, and all-day meals. With its cozy house-style ambience and wide variety of refreshing halo-halo flavors, it has become a go-to food stop in Kamuning area.
Nung nakatira pa ako dito sa Kamuning, wala pa to, sabi nung staff, 2 years pa lang daw tong Kamuning. Ano po yan, kuya?
Banana con leche flan.
Banana.
Pinoy traditional.
Okay.
Creamy mango biscuit.
Yan.
Overload.
Overload. Yan. Ito po pwede naman i-take out.
Pwede naman.
Mamaya.
I tried 4 flavors, the summer fruity, Pinoy traditional, banana con leche, and creamy mango graham. And bilang certified leche flan girly, pasado agad pag masarap ang flan. And yes, ang sarap, ang lambot at ang tamis ng saging na saba, generous toppings, and surprisingly, hindi nakakaumay. But my ultimate favorite among the 4, it's the creamy mango graham. Perfect blend, sweet mangoes, creamy finish, naubos ko mag-isa.
Legit check muna sa leche flan. Pasado. Stick O. Nung panahon ko champola to eh. Stick O. Next flavor. Lahat ng halo-halo flavors na natikman ko, iba-iba sila ng dating, iba-iba sila ng characteristic, kaya hindi nakakasawa. Sarap! Lahat sila masarap. Pero I think, number 1 para sa akin yung mango graham.
Bonus tip, try their Thai Pao and Siomai. Parang umorder ka sa legit Chinese restaurant.
Sabi ko na eh, sarap. Itsura pa lang masarap na. Ang sarap. That's delicious. Mas may libre pang crispy garlic. Good. Usually, yung ibang mango graham, hindi ko masyadong type kasi sobrang tamis. This one, sobrang sakto lang. Tapos ang sarap pa ng mangga.
For a weekday non-peak hour, ang dami ka rin kumakain. Mukhang may bago na tayong dadayuhin sa Kamuning and trust me, babalik ako dito. And 5 stars nga pala sila sa Grab ha. That says a lot. Ibig sabihin maganda yung service and quality ng food.
Ngayon naman, pupunta tayo sa I think it's catered yung bilihan ng sikat na empanada dito. Last time kasi na bumili ko, grabe, sobra nagustuhan ng kids ko. Kaya dapat mabilang ko sila ulit kasi bihira lang tayo pumunta ulit ng Kamuning. Yeah, as far as I remember, it's at catered. Tingnan natin. Let's see, catered na. Medyo mainit. Ang init, sunog ang balat ni Kimberly.
There it is, the famous empanada of Kamuning, Lucky 21 and 19. This humble shop has been operating in Kamuning for over 40 years, quietly building a loyal following for its signature empanaditas, its small, flaky, savory pastry. The store itself is very low-key, basically a takeout window in front of a house on Catered Street, but locals have been lining up for decades because the empanadas are consistently good and nostalgic. Their empanaditas are known for a crispy, buttery crust with savory fillings like chicken, beef, tuna, or ham and cheese. I ordered 1 box and it's gone in less than a day. Kamuning has so many more cafes and food spots that I still want to try. So I might have to come back for part 3 of this Kamuning food trip. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for more food finds, restaurant reviews, and travel adventures. Bye!